The darker the tea, the darker is its impact on our body. Tannins in the tea can hinder iron absorption. Caffeine in the tea disrupts pitta and vata, affecting sleep. Overconsumption of tea in pregnancies may create complications. Hi, I'm Dr. Vikas Sangotra. Without wasting any time, let's find out the darker side of a chai. Increased anxiety and restlessness and mental health. Caffeine in tea may aggravate Vata dosha and Rajasguna, the active energy of a mind, leading to anxiety and restlessness. Tea's dry and light properties impact the Majadhatu, that is brain and nervous tissue of the body, leading to fogginess, forgetting the things, and hampering the memory capabilities of the body. So opt for herbal teas like chamomile or tulsi, which help to calm the nervous system and soothe vata, offering a better alternative for sensitive individuals. Poor sleep quality. For sleep, we need grounding and calmness. But caffeine imbalances pitta and vata, making it more difficult to have a sound sleep. Ayurveda recommends avoiding tea before bed and opting for calming herbs like ashwagandha or valerian root, which nourishes the nervous system and promote restful sleep. Reduced iron absorption. Tannins in the tea can hinder iron absorption, especially from plant-based foods. Overconsumption of the tea leads to overheating of the liver, which is the seat of Rakta Dhatu, that is blood tissue formation. So Ayurveda suggests drinking tea between the meal to minimize this effect, as weak digestion, that is Agni, can impair nutrients uptake. So opt for consuming iron-rich foods with digestive spices like cumin or coriander, which can further enhance absorption. Joint pains and arthritis. Excessive tea consumption can increase dryness and inflammation in the body as well as in the joints, leading to early degeneration and arthritic changes in the body. But Ayurveda suggests strengthening the bones with herbs like ashwagandha and sesame seeds, as well as maintaining balanced vata and pitta dosha to prevent fractures. Hair fall and dull skin. Excessive consumption of the tea leads to vitiation of a dry, light and heating attributes in the body, which affects the rasa dhatu and leads to dull, dry skin, and it also increases the blemishes on the face. Imbalance in these attributes caused by excessive consumption of tea also lead to hair fall, early graying of hair, and the thinning and the brittle hair. Nausea. Tannin in the tea can irritate the stomach, especially on an empty stomach. Tea causes imbalance of pitta dosha, which irritate the stomach and leading to nausea. Ayurveda suggests drinking tea with milk or adding spices like fennel, dill seeds, cardamom to soothe digestion and balance pitta and vata to reduce nausea. Heartburn. Tea's caffeine can relax esophageal sphincters, increasing stomach acid. So Ayurveda advises avoiding tea on an empty stomach and recommends cooling herbs like fennel, mint to balance pitta and reduce acid reflux. Pregnancy complications. High caffeine intake during pregnancy can disturb vata and may increase risk of miscarriage or low birth weight. So Ayurveda recommends limiting tea intake during pregnancy. Headaches. In my clinical practice, I have seen many of my patients complaining headaches when I find out how much tea you are consuming. So there is always 2 or 3 or 4 cups of tea in a day. So excessive tea may cause vata and pitta imbalance, leading to headaches or worsening the migraine headaches. Ayurveda suggests herbs like brahmi or peppermint to soothe headaches and stabilize vata, along with staying hydrated to ease tension. Dizziness. Tea can cause dehydration and vata imbalance, leading to dizziness. Ayurveda recommends moderation in tea consumption and suggests hydrating with herbal infusions like fennel or ginger to balance vata and maintain circulation. Caffeine dependence. Regular tea consumption may lead to caffeine dependence, causing causing withdrawal symptoms. Ayurveda advocates reducing caffeine gradually and replacing it with herbs like chamomile or ashwagandha, which supports natural energy and reduce overstimulation. So before you brew your next cup of a tea, take a moment to consider its potential side effects. By understanding the darker side of a tea, you can make more informed choices about your daily consumptions. So if you have already existing conditions, whether it's acidity, constipation, headache, hair fall, multiple other issues, make sure you stop consuming tea. So want to dive deeper into the science behind tea's effect on your body? Keep watching eBlosis and let's explore the complexities together. Lots of love to the beautiful souls out there. Namaste.